Hello, and what you're about to see is a couple of S7 stock London Underground trains not at service in Barking. This one you see is going on the wrong way of the platform. It's going back towards the sidings in Barking. If you know Barking Station, these platforms is for London bound trains, normally only. And here comes another S7 London Underground train, which is not in service. It arrives, stays for a little while, then departs again.
This is a passenger announcement. Customers are advised there is currently no direct access to the station and should book another time place. We apologise for any inconvenience and good journey.
If you enjoyed this video, why not hit that like button, leave a comment in the box below, and why not consider subscribing to see more of my videos. So you all take care. Oh, and here's a couple of videos that YouTube said, go on, watch these, you may enjoy them. So you all take care, and you have a good day. Bye.